guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Megs. I'm normally a polymer clay artist, but today we are taking this sketchbook, which is a brand new sketchbook, and we're going to turn it into a travel sketchbook. So I have had this sketchbook sitting in my studio for what feels like a couple months. Basically, I want to bring this sketchbook camping, road trips, vacations. We are starting it today. There's nothing in this. The sticker is still on it. So let me take the sticker off. Because this book does not have one of those book threads to be a bookmark, I am using my little lizards that I made. I sculpted these little lizards, which I'm going to be dropping on the date that's on the screen. Little lizard friends are called Lizlings, and basically they're little charms, and they're going to be collectibles. And then you can buy this bookmark or keychain, and you can put them on. I recently found some when I was 12 years old from what I sculpted, and I recreated them, and now I just can't stop making different variations of lizards. But besides the point, this will be my bookmark for the new sketchbook we're working on today. So let's go. Hello, you guys. Voiceover Megan here. I did go to a Madison Beer concert last night, and I was screaming and singing my heart out, so my voice is a little bit raspy. But I wanted to come on here and say that I'm finally putting new items in my shop. I'm so excited. I have not put items in my shop since November of 2025, and I'm really excited to share these new items with you. I have been working on these for a while, just kind of following my heart with creating and making whatever I feel like making, and just so I really just want to share these with you guys. It's going to be July 18th at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and I'm just so excited to share this with you. And they're going to be one-of-a-kind pieces, so once they're gone, they're gone. I have magnets, keychains, earrings, some random things on there, and I just want to share them with you. And so go check it out at megsdesigns.com, and I love you guys, and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Bye! This first page is always the most intimidating, and I think I'm just gonna make it the intro page. So basically I'm just gonna be putting my name, the date, when I started this, and like a little drawing of some sort. These are my sketches so far. Kind of some historical things and just some random things that I'm seeing in the park. Sat here for a while and I put my arm over. My arm straight in bird shit. Straight in bird shit. I was like, what is so wet on my arm? Yeah, good thing I had a napkin because that was gross. Need the AC on full blast. Okay, I found a leaf, by the way, of one of the trees I was sketching. So now I can do a close-up study of that tree. But I think that was a success. And it was kind of scary starting the first page, which that's what I was trying to overcome, okay? That's what this video is about, is overcoming the fear of the first page on a sketchbook. The last like 3 sketchbooks, what I started doing was making like an intro page. So this is what I ended up doing. Just like my name and like the date that I started this sketchbook. And then because this is going to be a travel sketchbook, I kind of just did a whole study of the park that I went to, which is called Amherstburg. It's like a town that's close to me. And I kind of did a study of everything that I kind of noticed today. And one thing that I really loved about this was the fact that I like paid closer attention to little details. And I would have never have sketched a no fishing sign before till now. And I kind of just like wrote a little journal entry or just kind of whatever I was feeling. I just kind of wrote down little notes. And yeah, I'm really liking how this turned out. And I only used pencil for this whole page, but I have some mini watercolors that maybe on the next page I can do one. I don't really know. I was also thinking of doing a page where it's like my coffee every single day, and like every little coffee is like on the page and I can write the date and like that's coffee for this day, this day, this day, this day. I think that would be really, really cute. So also might start a page with that. So that's my first start of the sketchbook. That's literally going to be the end of this video. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that starting the sketchbook is not as scary as you think, and just draw whatever comes to your mind. Whatever you're seeing in front of you, just draw it. Just draw it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more artist content. If there's any videos that you guys want me to make or you want to see me do, leave it in the comments below. Stay tuned for some more summery vlogs. I have a summer vlog in the works of just some fun summer things that I'm doing recently. And that's about it. Time to turn my cooling seats up all the way, okay? Best part about this car is it has cooling seats. Oh, anyways, I love you. Bye.